Oh my god.
I got this new calculator. It's the TI VA2 Plus.
You gotta do it horizontally.
And this is my unboxing video. There's perforation right here.
You need a knife.
It's very difficult.
You can always edit it out. That's fine.
No, then that's
Act
fake.
like you opened it.
Vlog.
Hi everyone. Thank you.
What's your YouTube handle? We should subscribe.
I don't have one.
Subscribe to unboxing. School unboxings.
Yeah.
School unboxed family.
Oh my god.
What? Yes, I do. 370 240.
Wait, what are you taking, Micah?
I'm taking Bio 300.
Chem 215.
No, I'm actually taking Bio 300.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's independent
Why are you
research.
thinking? Oh.
Why?
So I'm doing independent research. But as I was saying, Bio 300, TechCom 300,
Wait, I don't get how this
370,
is supposed to,
214,
like-
388.
Are you struggling?
Yeah, I
That's
am actually.
I agree, man.
Where are you partnering?
Oh, I got it. I got it.
He's gonna drop it. He's taking 485.
Did
So
you 45?
not. Wait, you got it?
Oh, I
Okay, I don't know. I'll find someone. I know Raymond's taking it and James is taking it, right?
think Raymond's a partner.
Okay.
Charles?
Charles. Oh, Charles. Oh, Charles. Charles is taking it.
Taking what?
And there's a few more.
It.
Nathan?
Nathan's taking it.
So,
Oh, well, there's a GitHub online for the homework and project.
so happy, man. Cheers, mate. Oh, I can see it in the bathroom.
Open.
Rubbing alcohol.
Can you fill me up?
What?
Thank you, Andy.
Did you not wash your hydrant flask?
Shouldn't you wash it before you use it for the first time?
Fill it up.
What?
Wait, is it new?
No, it's not new. I just picked it up.
Thanks.
Interesting.
Make it look new.
Yeah, so you can like resell it.
Wow.
Yeah.
High resell value.
It looks
Like a
pretty clean.
normal
The label looks kind
calculator.
of musty.
No, it doesn't.
Goodbye.
Oh, I guess it does.